Hello guys, today I'm going to show how to do a memory analysis using Volatility Tool. So this video I'm going to show how to use some commands to get information from the memory image. So to get a memory image, to get an image you can use dump it tool. So please watch that how to get the image from using dump it tool, that video, then you can get an idea. So I'm going to use this volatility standalone tool. So guys, you can download it from the Google, and this is that memory image I'm going to use, this one. So that you need to store this memory image whatever the location you store this tool, the same location. So we need to use command prompt. You need to run as administrator. Now go to here and get the location, that path, uh, control all, control C, then the type cd. You can we cannot use control V, paste, press enter. Now we are in that that the tool store, that path. Now I'm going to run this to get that image info, that what kind of profile inside this image. So for that I'm going to get, we need to check what are the best suitable profiles. We need to get what are the available we need to find out what are the available profiles. So for that I'm going to use run the image info command. So you need to know, you don't need to type all the word, type all and press tab, then dash f the file, then we need to give that file name, press tab, then we need to get image info, then press enter. This takes some time. So after run this command we can get find out what are the available profiles inside this image. This takes some time guys, 2 to 3 minutes. So let's wait, we need to wait. After that we can use that we can run that profile. Inside that profile we can find out what are the processes run inside that profile. So then we can find what are the hidden or terminated processes inside that profile. These details we need to wait. This takes some time. This video I'm going to show what kind of command we need to use analyze memory using this volatility tool. Yeah. So guys, these are these you can see suggested profiles. WinXP SP286. These are the profiles. So guys, we need to select a profile. Let's select a profile. So now I'm going to run that this profile, this SP2 profile. We need to use a word, then dash f, not that one, the image file name, then we need to use profile. So you need to use a double dash, then profile equal that this is the profile we I'm going to use. So guys, going to select this one. I'm going to get this profile. Okay, now I'm going to find out what are the processes running this inside this profile. For that, I'm going to use ps3 command. Let's see what kind of processes running inside this profile. So guys, you can see this is the uh, parent process and parent process id. Then this is the under that system process, these are the uh, child processes. So under that system process running these processes, under that smss process run this winlogon process. So these are the ids and time details. You can find out details. You can see this under system process run this this is the that id under this process run this. You can see that parent process id. This is a parent id. uh, this is how these processes run. So now I'm going to use find out what are the list of that hidden or terminated processes. For that, I'm going to use a pscan command. We need to use same command. I'm going to use pscan command. This is the command, ps command. Press enter. Then we can find out what are the hidden or terminated processes. These are the processes that hidden or terminated. So we can get find out time that created time, made these details. So this is the time that the processors terminated or hidden. So now I'm going to use that we use that ps3 command to display the processor has a parent and child tree. I explained that one, parent and child tree. So now I'm going to use DLL list command. That's mean dynamic link library. DLL means so these run command to that load DLL into processor's memory without using with the Windows loader. So this 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 one use actually attackers use. They change that DLL into some different words. So sometimes they use DL and the last they remove that last L. Then they sometimes use one or something, because you can see this after type this L. If I type 1, there is only the little bit different. So the attacker use this kind of technique. So I'm going to find out what are the run DLL list inside this profile. We need to use same command. The last command we need to change it to DLL list. Press enter. So then we can find out what are the these run a lot of processes. You can see what kind of processes are running inside this profile, this selected profile. So if you are doing any malware memory analysis, then you can find out is there any changes this in here. So this is how to get a DLL list. So now I'm going to use what kind of command line if the user, what kind of command line they use, command line commands in this profile. So for that, the same command we need to use command line cmd line. You can see in here cmd line, then press enter. You after run this command, we can find out what kind of command used inside the cmd. These are the command that user or attacker use, that inside the cmd command line cmd. This is how to get that one cmd line. This is the command. So now I'm going to run. We can get an idea how what kind of command use inside the cmd, any malware file run or something like that. So now I'm going to display the SIDs, get SIDs. For that, same command. Always you need to guide guys that change the last command, get SID SIDs. Let's run this. If you put any type any wrong one, then is showing an error. This takes some time, we need to wait. So I use Windows 7 virtual machine, so you can use your own PC, but I'm using this one because sometimes I use analyze some malware files, so that's why I use virtual machine. And if you analyze any malware, then don't put any shared folders. So guys, these are SIDs inside this profile, that according to that files, these are the IDs. You can see system IDs 4, SMSS files IDs is 368. This is how to find out the IDs inside this profile. Is there any like you can search these IDs. If you find out any unbehavior ID, then you can if after search it, then you can get an idea. Like if that ID is malware, sometimes people create some blog post, then sometimes Google has these details. So guys, then you can get an idea, is this ID is uh, the real one or malware one. So next, I'm going to guess that Internet Explorer, that the history. So that the same command. I'm going to use IE history. Let's see. So then we can get that history inside that the browser. What kind of website that the user accessed or attacker. We need to extract that IE cache history. Oh, I think there is no any IE history. If there are any history, then we can find out what are the history inside that profile. If I enter that wrong command, then it is show an error. There is no any error. So guys, this file is, it is not include any IE history. So now I'm going to use conscan command to get network information. Same command. We need to change the last command. Uh, conscan scan. Okay, press enter. Let's find out what are the network information. Okay, this is that local IP addresses, local addresses, and remote addresses, and the IDs. This is how to find out the available network informations. You can attackers use these details to find out. Then attacker can access to the, if there are open ports, these detail, if that machine includes some open ports, then attacker can access. This include the all and the remote address also. This image file. Then the last command is that we need to find out what are the kernel modules. For that I'm going to use module command. Modules. Let's find out what are the available kernel modules. So guys, this is how to do memory analysis using Volatility Tool. There are some different commands. These are the main commands that we used to do memory analysis. So this is the flow. Like we need to find out what are the available profile. Then we need to select that profile, and we need to find out what are the parent or child processes running inside the. We use ps3 command. Then we need to find out what are the hidden or terminated processes. ps scan command. uh, this is the flow. So these are the kernel modules run inside this profile. So guys, if there any unbehavior module run, then you can google it, then you can analyze that module. So guys, this is how to do a memory analysis using Volatility Tool. So guys, I hope you guys have an idea how to do it. So thank you for watching this video, and please comment and subscribe my channel and share. So thank you guys.